Bills start and end with committees, whether made into a law or not. They play key roles in a floor debate of bills they promote. They help organize the most important work for Congress, considering, shaping, and passing laws to govern the country. There are 4 types of congressional committees: standing committees, select committees, joint committees, and conference committees. The first, standing committees, can be considered the most important ones. They consider and shape the vast majority of bills that are being debated. They can also conduct investigations, like, for example, the investigation of President Bill Clinton's Whitewater investments. Many have been around for years, but they can still be combined or discontinued today.
The next committees are the select committees, which are basically formed for specific purposes or to study a particular issue. They typically do not draft legislation. Occasionally, when select committees are around for long enough, they become standing committees. They investigate issues, and if they have existed for long enough, they produce legislation. There are also committees called joint committees. Joint committees are like select committees because of what they are trying to achieve. They exist for similar purposes. However, joint committees are made up of members from both the House and the Senate and try to conduct business between the two to keep public eye on major issues. Joint committees contain members from more than one organization. Some have been created to address specific issues, such as the Joint Committee on the Conduct of the War. Some also handle routine matters. Finally, conference committees are created when both the House and the Senate need to debate different versions of the same bill. It is made up of the members of the House and the Senate that originally considered the bill. Members of conference committees resolve disagreements on a particular bill. They then amend the bill to create one that everyone can agree on. After they are done revising it, the bill is given back to Congress to vote on again.
Standing committees get new representatives and senators assigned by political parties after every congressional election. Although they look at a member's wishes, they also consider the person's region, personality, and party connections to get a wide range of people in each standing committee. House of Representatives usually work in 1 or 2 standing committees due to the large amount of members. However, senators work in many different standing committees and subcommittees. Committee assignments are one of the most important decisions for a new member and their future work in Congress. They usually seek committees that allow them to serve their state or district more directly. This way, they can personally bring the people's needs to Congress. Other times, members seek a powerful committee if they want to lead or find a higher position in Congress. Congressional committees are extremely important in the process of making, proposing, and regulating bills. They help get the voices of people heard and issues solved.